What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off at number 1, stocks on Wall Street are set for a slightly higher open this morning as the market braces for more earnings while monitoring stimulus talks in Washington. The Dow futures were pointing to a gain of about 100 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were also indicating a positive Tuesday start for the two indices. The pre-market moves come one day after stocks took a beating on Tuesday, with the Dow falling more than 400 points, its biggest daily loss in a month. On to number 2. Stimulus talks will continue to be a big focus for the market today as we look for further clarity on whether a stimulus deal is possible before the looming November 3 election. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said on Sunday that in order to get a deal through, it would have to be settled on Tuesday, so obviously the day has arrived. With time winding down, stay alert to any headlines from President Trump, House Speaker Pelosi, and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin as negotiations enter their final stretch. On to number 3. In earnings, Netflix will take center stage when it reports its third quarter results after the closing bell. As always, subscription numbers will be the main focus for investors as we look for further signs on how well the video streaming giant is doing in the current environment. Analysts expect only 3.8 million paid subscribers for the third quarter, which, if confirmed, would mark its lowest quarterly total in more than a year. Netflix shares are up 64% year to date, making it one of the biggest beneficiaries of the COVID-19 pandemic. Options markets are implying a move of 10% for the stock in either direction following the results, so keep your eyes on that one after the close. On to number 4. Besides Netflix, Tuesday will also feature a host of earnings reports from a variety of companies across several different industries and sectors. Some of the most notable names due ahead of the opening bell include Procter & Gamble, Lockheed Martin, and Philip Morris. Earnings after the close this afternoon are then due from Snap, Texas Instruments, iRobot, and Interactive Brokers. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results. And finally, number 5 on the economic calendar, in addition to earnings, we'll also focus on U.S. housing data due this morning, which should give clearer signs on how well the real estate market fared in September. Housing starts are expected to have jumped almost 3% last month, while building permits are forecast to gain around 2%. The report comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. You can track the data on Investing.com's economic calendar. So that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.